In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur edges in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, soft edge look that makes your subject pop while the outer edges fade smoothly into the background. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed in so you can access your projects and save your work. If you're prompted, log in before moving on. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. You can head into your stuff if you want to work from an existing project, or choose Start New Design to begin fresh. Go ahead and create a new design so we have a blank canvas to work with. Now on the left side, use the Upload option to bring in the photo you want to blur around the edges. This will place your image on the canvas. Next, duplicate the image so we have two copies to work with. Right-click the photo and choose Duplicate. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also select the photo and press Ctrl+D on Windows. This gives us a top layer that will stay sharp and a second layer that will blur for the soft edges effect. Click to select the first photo on your canvas. With it selected, open Adjustments from the left panel, find the blur control, and drag the slider until the image looks pleasantly soft. Don't overdo it, you want a gentle glow rather than a heavy smear. While you're here, resize this blurred photo so it's slightly larger than the canvas, or at least larger than the sharp copy. Expanding it a bit helps create that soft, feathered boundary around the edges once it sits behind the sharp layer. With the blurred image still selected, right-click it and choose Send to Back. This moves the blurred version behind the sharp duplicate. So I'll see the clear photo sits on top and the blur peeks out around the edges. Take a moment to fine-tune. If the blurred halo looks too strong, reduce the blur amount in Adjustments. If the soft edge isn't visible enough, slightly enlarge the blurred layer or nudge the sharp layer to center it perfectly. The goal is a crisp subject framed by a subtle, dreamy edge. That's it. You've created a soft edge effect in Adobe Express by stacking a sharp image over a blurred duplicate. This method is quick, flexible, and totally adjustable, so you can revisit the blur or size anytime to match your style.